It takes roughly half a second for a $1,000 piece of pocket-sized engineering to slip from your grip, hit the pavement, and shatter. The immediate reaction is usually a mix of sheer panic and intense frustration. Staring down at that spider web of glass, most owners assume the device is completely, irreversibly ruined. Desperate to recoup at least some value and remove the headache, the owner typically lists the damaged phone on a local marketplace for a tiny fraction of its retail price. This sudden collapse in perceived value creates an economic vacuum, where a few cracks in a surface layer of glass transform a high-end tool into an abandoned asset. Enter the phone flipper. While most buyers scroll past the listings for dead devices, these hustlers actively hunt them down. They are practicing a classic form of arbitrage, buying an aggressively undervalued asset and applying a specific skill to bridge the gap between that panic-induced price and the phone's actual functional value. Tapping into this market requires a medium startup cost, with an initial investment of $100 to $500 covering the essential tools and replacement parts. The real opportunity relies on exploiting the financial panic of everyday consumers rather than possessing deep electronic expertise. Transitioning to the workbench reveals a unique hybrid model, as outlined by the research team at HustleGrower.com. Success starts with the online negotiation with a panicked seller, followed by the physical footwork of a local pickup. Once the device is in hand, the flipper runs a diagnostic test to confirm the internal hardware, the processor, memory, and cameras, remains perfectly intact despite the superficial damage. The physical work is delicate. Using a specialized metallic prying tool, the flipper carefully separates the back casing to expose and disconnect the power supply. Most flips involve routine component swaps. This means unplugging a degraded battery for a fresh one, or lifting off the shattered screen to connect a pristine replacement. These repairs represent a highly methodical, step-by-step reassembly process, rather than complex electrical engineering. While turning screens and swapping screens is mechanically simple, maintaining a steady supply of these phones requires a significant time investment. Data from HustleGrower.com classifies phone flipping as a high-effort hustle. It demands a dedicated 10 to 20 hours a week to remain financially viable. Those hours consist of constantly refreshing local marketplaces for new leads, vetting buyers, and performing the physical repairs. This reality contradicts the popular internet myth of easy passive income. Every dollar earned in this market is tied directly to manual labor, shrewd negotiation, and consistency. Successful flippers separate themselves from the crowd through a pure willingness to grind through repetitive logistical tasks. The payoff arrives when the repaired phone illuminates for the first time. Visually perfect, its original retail value is instantly restored. For a beginner completing their first few successful flips, this generates a baseline profit of around $300 per month. Increasing sourcing volume and repair speed allows the operation to reach peak earnings of up to $6,000 a month for dedicated hustlers. This scalability is supported by an evergreen consumer market, with an unyielding demand for cheaper, refurbished smart devices. Reaching true financial scale requires systematizing a specialized skill and turning a one-off weekend flip into a highly efficient personal assembly line. Ultimately, the mechanics of phone flipping prove that tangible sweat equity remains a highly lucrative engine in the modern gig economy. To explore this further, visit HustleGrower.com to read their full guide on phone flipping, or discover other high-return tech hustles like AI app making and WordPress plugin development. Leave a comment below detailing what broken tech you currently have lying around your house and what you think its flip value could be.